video, guys, because I'm going to the dealership. I'll try to do a clip of the sound the car does. It basically makes like a rattling noise coming from the engine. It's not a knocking sound, but it's definitely something around there. It sounds like it's loose or something like that. And then I noticed also when I do pulls, sometimes you might have heard in previous videos where I do like a third gear and I just do like a gentle pull, and you can hear a squeaking sound. Like 2 weeks ago, I was hearing the car making like a serpentine or accessory belt noise of some sort, so I just thought that might be like a belt issue. Then the day after, it didn't come back, and yesterday was worse. Like, it sounded really bad. And I also noticed that the car does a rattling noise when it starts. It always does that because of the wastegates. The car is made like this, so it's normal, but now it's worse. If it's just a belt, it won't be a big issue, but I'll be back, guys, whenever it's done with the results. Okay, so I'm back. I just came out of the dealership. They basically told me it's the idler pulley and the tensioner. I think there's another pulley for tension or something. So they told me it was this. I have like a warranty on the car and stuff with financing and stuff, which was pretty cheap, so I'm glad I took that because it's all covered. It's fixed, and when it's fixed, I'll come back with you guys and let you know. But it's been different from what I heard. Some people had the same issues as me, but it was only a serpentine belt. Some people were being said that it's the tensioner that was having issues. I'll come back to you guys when the car is fixed and stuff. Okay, so a little update. I got the car back. It also had like a bad wheel bearing. I don't know if it was linked to the noises I heard, but I think a bearing is more like a humming noise. The tensioner, the pulleys with the job, the installing job, and the labor and everything, plus the wheel bearing and the labor. So it's like, would have costed at least $1,000, but now it was only $130 for the belt. Those noises and a screeching noise when you floor it sometimes, coming like a strap, basically a strap noise, like a bad serpentine belt noise, or pulley. That means it's probably the same issues I had. So at least go check your dealer out, and maybe, because me, this screeching noise when I was doing pulls, I heard that. I've been hearing that noise for a long time. And thank you for watching. For me, it wasn't really a big issue. I had to wait like 2 or 3 days for the parts to come in.